I'm showing you how to do alcohol. So my cap's gone. Done. Sorry. Now this is a tricky bit. I've never ever showed anybody how to do the alcohol. Now I'll be showing you how to do the alcohol. This is my left hand.
You're gonna do like this, please. Like that.
He knows this.
So, like this. Like this.
Off you go.
No, not
This is my left.
this that.
Go away, pussy. Come on then.
Yeah, he won't bite because it's being annoying.
Okay. It's my left hand, and I'm doing this, curving it a little bit, and then this is my right hand. I'm gonna curve it a little bit with my thumb up, and then basically you're not gonna tap, but it's kind of clapping. So you're gonna make a hole in the middle. Put that bit, and then put your palm, and then like that. So there's a hole in the middle with no gaps. Then you're gonna squeeze these together. So there's a hole in the middle, not a big hole. Then you're gonna put your lips on that bit. You're gonna blow across, and you're gonna bend your thumbs, and then you're gonna put your lips like you're going like that, but you're gonna go like that. So you're gonna blow gently first, like.